Hey everybody, so for today's little art activity that we're going to do is a little bit of paper folding and a little bit of drawing. What you want to do is you want to get yourself some school supplies. So you're going to need one piece of paper. I don't really care if it's like printer paper where it's perfectly blank or if you grab notebook paper, but don't grab scrap paper. You need to be able to draw on it, whatever it's going to be. So grab a piece of paper, whatever size you grab is perfectly fine. Grab yourself some like markers, a pencil, pen, crayons, whatever you've got around the house. Doesn't really matter. You know, if you got some Sharpies lying around, feel free to grab those. It doesn't really matter what you do, but whatever you got around the house, it doesn't matter to me. Okay, pencils, pens, use what you got. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. Pause the video, go grab all that stuff. Cool. So now that you're back, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start by laying your piece of paper out flat like this, and we're gonna make some folds. So you are gonna fold it like this. So you're going to fold it in half, down, make a nice crease. Okay? Then you're going to take that top flap that you just folded down, you're going to fold it back up to the crease like this. Okay? And then you want to flip the whole thing over, and you want to fold the back half up like this. Now the back half is actually not completely necessary. It actually just provides us a guideline right here that we're going to be using. Okay? So for right now, what we want to do is hold our piece of paper kind of like this, okay? So that when we grab it, it unfolds like that for us. Perfect. Okay, now what we're actually going to be doing today is we're going to be making a present. So we're going to make a present that when we draw it on here is going to open up like this so the person can see what's on the inside of the present right there. So I'm going to start by making my box because presents come in a box. So regardless of what you use, I'm going to grab this little marker just because it comes in black, so you should be able to see the lines a little bit better when I do this. Okay, so we're going to start by making our box. We're going to start in the top half like this. And then hopefully you can see that line. And okay, then we're going to come to the bottom. We're going to draw the bottom part of our box like this. And then we're going to come back up like this. This marker is all kinds of terrible. Okay, I'm going to go back over my line a little bit here, just make it a little bit darker. And of course we need the top of the box. And my marker just died. Okay, like that. Okay. I'm actually going to trace over this. I actually have a brown marker here. It's going to make it kind of ugly. But I'm going to have brown marker just so that you all can see the edges a little bit better. Okay. Okay, so that's our box. And we're going to draw a line right along the crease here because, aha, now it looks like a box when it's opened up. See? Okay. So now that we've got our box in place, we have to tie a nice pretty ribbon around our box. Okay, so we're going to draw two lines, two parallel lines like that to be our ribbon that goes down the middle of our box. Now we got to do the bow that's on top because we got to make it look pretty. So what you're going to do is you're going to put like what looks like a handle on the top of your box like that. So now it looks like a purse. Okay, and then we're going to draw two slightly curving lines, and now it looks like a square bug. And then we're going to do two slightly curving lines like this, and now it looks like some sort of alien ear sticking over the top, but you kind of got to see the ribbon aspect. And of course we have to do the creases that come out of the ribbon like that. And now you have a pretty bow on top of your box. Okay, so here's what I want you to do is I want you to decorate your box now, okay? If you're using markers, what I recommend is opening your paper up like this before you color it all in, only because you can see here the marker is starting to bleed through my paper a little bit, and so it'll make it ugly. So what I want you to do is I'm going to color this all in. I'm going to grab my 64 Ultra Clean washable crayons here, and I'm going to begin to color this in. I'm going to speed up the video. There's not going to be any sound, just so that you can see me coloring it in, but you color it in however you want. If you've only got a pencil, shade it. Make dark spots. Doesn't matter to you. It doesn't matter to me. Whatever works with the equipment that you've got, you do it. Okay? So I'm going to fast forward this. You can watch me color this in real fast, no sound, and then come back to me when we're all done coloring. Okay, so I've completely finished drawing coloring in my present, and so hopefully at this point so have you. Hopefully you enjoyed my awesome coloring skills. So now we're going to open up the present, and before I get to that, like I said, it's a present. So I want you to think about something that someone that you really care about would want, because someone that you know, their birthday is on April 15th. And so your present is going to be for me. So it's my birthday on April 15th. And normally I don't celebrate, I make a big deal about my birthday in school, but it's kind of weird that we're missing my birthday this year because of something funky. So I want you to draw in here, into this middle space, something that you would give to me for my birthday. It does not matter how crazy or corny or weird or quirky or whatever it is, something you think I might want, something you might think will give me a laugh. Does not matter. As you can see, your artistic skills are not important here. The important part is making something fun and doing your best with it. So hopefully you enjoy making this little craft. When you're all done, what I want you to do is I want you to post a picture of you're going to post a video of your little present. So you're going to show me what it looks like on the outside, and you're going to tell me all about what you did and why'd you color it, and then you're going to open it up and you're going to demonstrate what present you made for me on the inside. So thank you, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed doing this little craft, and I hope to see you soon.